What is up? So we're doing this Snap-on little restoration. We're gonna do a sandblast. I got this and we're gonna try this out. It's gonna hook it up to the pressure washer. So hook it up by this end, it comes out through this end, and this end sucks in the walnut shell, which is right here. So I'm gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna get the video of this taking the paint off. So let's see how it goes. We'll see. Got some motorcycle glasses with the foam. So, couple things. There's walnut shells everywhere. They're in my hair, and they're absolutely everywhere. So luckily I closed that garage door, but they went, like I said, everywhere. So I changed plans in the middle of doing this because I realized how long this was going to actually take to get rid of all this paint. And I'm going to be honest, this is a perfectly good Snap-on box, and I'm not painting it either. So I'm just gonna clean it up with some sandblast, paint it real good, or clean it real good, and then we'll put it back together basically. So that's it. Alright, so I had to keep cleaning off the camera lens, but I'll just show you kind of what we got. But just basically cleaning this off, I don't care. It'll have a little bit of a old look to it. So, good enough. I'm not doing this whole thing. So that was pretty good. And if you get it though, if you let it sit, it'll smooth it right out. And it's really good for this aluminum too. So yeah, but it also made a mess in the driveway. Alright, so we got this inside, and as I'm doing this, I don't know if you can hear, there's some coyotes. I'm gonna Be quiet. Basically, this is the top part, so I just want to get this fixed up so that I can, you know what, let me get a flashlight. But I want to get this fixed up so that I can get some of my tools in here, and then I can get organized. But basically, I just put the pressure washer in there. I just basically am cleaning everything up because I realized this would have taken a lot of work to get the whole thing clean like this. But I mean, it cleans it off really well for $30. But basically, when I let this dry, I'm gonna hit it with a vacuum, and then I'm gonna maybe, you know, run a towel over it just to get that walnut off, and we should be good. Then I want to take some steel wool and smooth it over that, you know, once this dries up, but just make it nice and smooth, and so none of the paint just keeps falling off, and we'll see where we go from there.